Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to start the WordPress introduction. So, we have to cover today brief outline about the WordPress introduction. First one, defining the WordPress. What do you think when you listen to the word WordPress? In your mind, so many definitions come for the WordPress. Here, we explain the actually what is the meaning of WordPress. Second, how the WordPress are work. There are two ways WordPress are work. First, in localhost, and second one is cPanel. Benefit of the WordPress. What are the benefit and advantage of the WordPress? We can see further ahead. Fourth one is domain and hosting overview. There are the different source and platform. We can buy a domain and hosting for our website. Fifth one is theme overview. For that, first of all, you know how many page builder for creating the WordPress website. Now, define the WordPress. The WordPress is a website creation tool that can be used freely and friendly. Create a very customized website. It's written in PHP and paired with MySQL or MariaDB database. They also include plugin, theme, templates in WordPress. Uses of WordPress. What are the use of WordPress? First one is a personal use. We have to create a premium blog or website for ourselves. Second, community use. For company purpose like consultancy, service, these are all community use. Third one is global use. We can use the WordPress website all over the world. Nowadays, WordPress websites are used globally. We can use anywhere in the world. Benefit of the WordPress. What are the benefit and advantage of the WordPress? Here we do. First one is easy to use. In WordPress, you can make any changes to your site anywhere, where as long as there is no rocket science to build a WordPress website. There are the 4 or 3 things for making a WordPress website. There are plugins, themes, how you can use the plugin and where it is used. Second is fast development. The fast development is used website design. When you use the WordPress website design, you automatically get the benefit of the responsive web technology without need to develop a separate for different devices. Like in a different website, you have to develop for different devices like mobile, PC, tablet. In WordPress, it is easy to use. Third one is strong community support. WordPress gives the strong community support to their customer like live chat, mail, etc. If you are stuck in anywhere in the website, you have to just mail it and they give the reply. And fourth one is easy to installation. They are very easy to install. Like you have to Google it and download the WordPress in localhost. And other thing is cPanel. Like go to the cPanel, click on the WordPress and install it. Number of WordPress websites in the world increases day by day. 45 billion websites are using WordPress right now. You can see nowadays so many WordPress websites are increases. Thereafter, hosting and domain platform. There are two ways, different type of domain. That is free one and second is a paid one. In free one, it is your subdomain. Like you have to use the WordPress, they give you the free domain like xyz.wordpress.com. In paid, it's your business name. First and foremost, You must need a domain name for your website. It is an online identity your business. There are GoDaddy, second is Bluehost, third one is HostGator, and fourth is Hostinger. There are different platforms. You can buy your domain and hosting. They give different facilities to their customer. Also make the website. Like you have to just confirm what's your business. Like they ask the question about your business, and also they give the very benefit of the business. Now there are the two types of the website. First one is a traditional website and second is a modern website. In traditional website, there are the static website and dynamic website. In static website, written in PHP, HTML and pure coding form. And modern website like blog website, e-commerce website, etc. Which type of website you can create in WordPress? There are A to Z website you can create in WordPress. First one is e-commerce, multi-vendor e-commerce, drop shipping, personal portfolio, real estate. These are the few websites you can create in WordPress. Now, type of page builder in WordPress. We can use a different type of the page builder for making a different kind of theme, like designing and etc. website. First one is Elementor, second one is Breezy, third one is WP Bakery page builder, fourth one is Xeon builder. These are the four page builder you can create our website. We can include in each and every page builder in next video how we can create our website. For that, you have to stay connected with us